So now that we've created the roof structure, you notice that the exterior of the roof actually looks very thin. And so to change that, the next step will be to do the fascia. And we do have a soffit already, so that's fine, but we need to do a fascia board. So if you go to the Architecture tab, under Roof, there'll be a fascia button there. And what you want to do is actually select the bottom of each line. And whenever we have a continuous fascia, we don't want to click that button multiple times, so we're just going to fix that up after. So now that we've done that, I'm just going to double tap the exit button, and we want to just bring this fascia down to connect. And if things aren't lining up, like what's happening here, we just want to maybe go around and check all the elevations just to make sure everything is in line. So that one's a little high. So that looks good. East elevation. So that looks good. That looks good. I don't know why that one. Check the west. See if everything on the west is lining up. I think that covers all of it. Just using the tab key to select that point. There we go. Let's try this again. Go around the exterior and model the fascia. There we go. Dropped out on me. We'll just go back in there. And now that we have some parts done, we'll start joining things up. Bring this one back to here. This piece back to here, and this one back to here. That looks like a wrap, and we're just going to change this from my 2x12, or sorry, 1x12 to 1x8. Maybe a little bit more in keeping with the right profile. And then after we do that, we just have to do the gable end areas. And I recommend doing these as separate fascia boards. And you'll notice when they come down, they're not coming down really where you want them, so you just have to modify the mitering. And then again, change this to 2x8. And then I'll just do one more here. I'll just do this other gable end because it's a little bit peculiar there. Change that to 2x8, and then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this up to there. Bring this up. Now we're going to modify mitering again. So this one I want to be perpendicular. I don't know if there's going to be any way we can control that anymore, but that's fine. And then this one's just flat. You can see the building starting to come together a little more. The fascia's added. So that's how you add a fascia board to these projects.